Hi everybody, welcome to this session. Today's topic is we are going to look at some forbidden places on earth. So it's going to be an amazing section. So are you excited? Put it in the chat. Are you excited? Okay, let us start. So the first thing that is an part of India, it's called North Sentinel Island. So North Sentinel Island, it look nice and it's such a greenery and it is surrounded by clouds and waters, but guess what, I cannot go there because it's completely forbidden for me. Look at this. So these are the tribes. They will attack us when we will go there. They will take their weapons, like you can see with in their hand. They will take their weapons and they will start to shoot us. So now first I was thinking, when I saw this photo I want to go there, but now I am thinking I don't want to go there because they will shoot me. So next thing, that is Cersei Island. Cersei Islands. So this is how it look like. So it's kind of black. So you will be thinking, most probably every island which humans are living will be in green, but this island is black. So through that only we can understand that no peoples are living and it is completely forbidden for us. So what happened was, suddenly a volcano came here, and a volcano erupted from the sea, and this was the result. A volcano erupted and this was the result. Quite amazing, right? And next thing, that is seed vault. Seed vault. So this is how it look like. And if every seeds are gone, and uh, do you think that suddenly a pandemic came in our earth and nothing is there to eat? You think like that nothing is there nothing is there to eat. Now this time we can the things are there to eat, but suddenly a pandemic came and every food go and nothing is there to eat, means this will be this will be there as an backup, because in this global seed vault every types of seeds are found. Approximately every types of seed are found. So suddenly a pandemic came, no food to eat, means this will be an backup for us. And next thing, that is Snake Island. So why it is why it is called as Snake Island, means it look like snake, right? It look like snake, but such a greenery. I think I want to go there because it's like a snake. I can go up of that mountain and I can take some to selfie, but guess what, I cannot go because what, because of what? Oh my god, this is how it look like. And this is the Snake Island. Okay, and this is the Snake Island, and this is the inside part of the Snake Island. This is the inside part of the Snake Island. I think now I don't want to go there. I think now I don't want to go there. And next thing, that is Metro 2. Metro 2. This is how it look like. It is in Moscow. It is in Moscow, and this was built under the normal metro. This was built under the normal metro, and they were thinking that if suddenly volcano, not volcano, suddenly some bomb or something came and every city blast, means due to the bomb in Hiroshima and Nagasaki, the countries put bombs, and there was a blast there. So if something came like this here, there will be a network which is still available. So they thought like that, and they built this metro too. They, if some bomb blast or something came, means there will be a still network. So that's why they built this. So next thing, that is quite amazing topic, and most probably approximately everyone will be knowing Area 51. Area 51. So I have heard in my class that The students were telling in area 51 the aliens will come, the aliens will go, the aliens will come and they will give the information with government, and they have contact with the government. And class students, they were telling like that. This is how the area 51 looks like. um, the news coming the news which is coming about area 51 is the area 51 is a place where the weapons are tested. The American weapons are tested, and military defense, the American weapons tested. And it is so that weapons testing, that should be a secret, no? So a country's weapon testing and military defense, that and all should be a secret. So during keeping that secret, they made this area 51, and also known as extraterrestrial highway. Extraterrestrial highway. So don't think of. I think that. I don't think that aliens come give instruction, because so much studies are coming that ghost is not there, aliens is not there. So much studies are coming like that, but then how the aliens will be there only with this area 51? Why aliens only coming to area 51? That's my doubt. So I don't know much. When I research in Google area 51, I didn't got much information about area 51. But this is how area 51 look like. It's a satellite image, and it is a weapon testing of the America. So it should be secret, so they build this area 51, and no one know about this. No one know. The peoples who are controlling area 51 know about this, and other public peoples don't know about this area 51. And the next thing that is, sorry, thing the places are over, and it is also known as extraterrestrial highway. So today's topic was for some forbidden places in our earth. So I think you have enjoyed much. If any doubt, and if any amazing facts or any topic or content is there, means comment in the comment section. Then till next session, bye bye.